So in this video presentation, we will discuss about the mesh construction with primitives, how they use, how can we apply this to our output. Building complex 3D objects. Complex 3D objects are made by combining basic shapes called primitives. The most common ones are triangles and quadrilaterals or quads. Mesh construction with primitives. Number 1, triangles. What they are? They are shapes with 3 sides. It's used for very flexible and can form any surface. So what are the pros and cons? For the triangles, the pros are easy for computers to handle, stable, always lies flat, no distortions, and also it's very flexible, great for detailed complex shapes. And for the cons, more needed, you need many triangles to create smooth surfaces. So madami kang gagamitin na triangles para maging smooth yung output na gagawin mo. For the quadrilaterals or quads, they are shapes with 4 sides. It used to cover large areas with fewer shapes. Also the pros and cons of quads. The pros are efficient, cover areas with fewer shapes. Smooth, good for creating smooth and curved surfaces. For the cons, can warp. If not perfectly flat, they can distort. In short, triangles are versatile and stable, but require more shapes for detail. Quads are efficient for smooth surfaces but can warp if not used carefully. Combining these primitives helps create complex 3D efficiently. So that's it. Thank you.